Hello guys, this is Talafiyaz here and you are watching T-sof. So guys, here comes another video Canva tutorial. In the last video, if you remember, I taught you how you can make your logo using your PC. But I know, many of you prefer to use your smartphones. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your logo using your smartphones. So watch this video carefully to the end and let's get started. So guys, let's first go to Google Play Store and type Canva and download the app. Since I already have downloaded it, so I'm just gonna open the app. And now we can sign in with our Google account and T-sof. So guys, after signing in, what we're gonna see is this page where we can create our maybe Instagram post or Facebook post or many other things. For now, let's just go to logo creation and create logo. See all. Now, as you can see here, there are many attractive designs, many attractive templates. So if you are opening a streaming channel or maybe a tech company or maybe your garment company, then you can choose from here. For now, oh, there is even design for your restaurant, so let's edit it. This says ramen rolls, so let's edit it. Click on the text box. Now T-sof. Let's add ramens. T-sof ramens. Okay. And now I have even opened up my restaurant. So make sure to visit, huh? That's funny. Okay. Now let's download. It sure is taking its sweet time, huh? Finally done. So let's just go to home page again. So guys, after getting your designs automatically saves here in case if you lose your design or maybe end up deleting them. As you can see here, these are designs which I created, and like this poster which I created a few days ago, and my YouTube thumbnails. Maybe I will show you how I create my thumbnails, but only after creating our own custom logo design. So let's go to a blank page and create our design. So guys, after opening, it's gonna show us some templates which we are not gonna use as we are creating our own design. So let's just close it. Now click on the add button, and here are options for adding a template or element or text box. So let's just change background first. Okay. Now maybe I will just choose a simple color. Now let's just adjust the color. Now after adjusting the color, maybe we should go ahead and add some elements. There is nothing to choose from here. Let's just go to search bar and I like wolf, so add wolf. Okay, this one look good. Now let's just adjust it. Okay. Should go here. Okay. Now I'll go to plus button again and add some text. Okay. Now edit it to T-sof. Okay. Now as you can see, this line here shows some options like bolding the text or maybe underlining it or maybe changing its font style like this. So we should just select the one we like. Okay, I like this one. Now we can also adjust the size of the text like this. Okay. Now click on the plus button again and I will add some heads or headings like this. Now I will edit it to my name, Yas. Now I will change its font style to this one. Okay. Now adjust it to keep the balance. Okay, now it looks pretty good, but see, something is missing. Maybe I should add something else. Okay, now let's go to, and maybe I will add some shield. Okay, and shield and search. Okay, now I will choose this one and adjust it. Maybe I should change the color, and black looks good. Now design is almost ready or not. There's something missing. Let's go to let's go to plus button and now let's add some splashes. Splash. And which one to choose? Okay. I will choose this one. Okay, now adjust it. And design is ready, so let's just download it. So guys, now it is time for me to show you how I create my thumbnails. So click on the search bar and type YouTube thumbnails, and now I will click on the blank box and create my design. Guys, let me just fast forward it as to not drag the video so long. So guys, this is how you can create your logo or your thumbnail or anything you want to create using all the steps which I showed you earlier, and these steps are stupidly easy to follow. So just quickly go to Play Store and download the app. I know you will love it. So guys, how was this video? If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.